Anyone else got a case of cabin fever? I'm Karrie from the Wilderness Center, and today I have for you an educational, time-consuming, delicious, and fun activity you can do at home. Let's head into the kitchen and do some science.
Let's talk sedimentary rocks. All of our bedrock in Ohio is made of sedimentary rocks, which means that if you dig down below the grass and the soil and you hit solid rock, you are touching a bunch of tiny pieces of sediment that got glued together millions of years ago. Sedimentary rocks form in layers over time, and when you look at them, you can easily see one of the golden rules of geology. The stuff on the bottom is the oldest. If that doesn't quite make sense, think of a sandwich. Can you put the top piece of bread on without the bottom? Nope. So the stuff on the bottom had to come first, even before the chicken or the egg. Need a vocab word? This is called the law of superposition. Want to make your own delicious sedimentary rocks? Here's what you need. Rice cereal, marshmallows, butter, vanilla, salt, and hey, that's another rock. Let's hear it for halite. Chocolate chips, other candies, whatever else you can find lurking in your pantry. No, not pickles. Saucepan, rubber scraper, a muffin tin with liners or some other small containers, and cooking spray so nothing sticks. Here's how you do it. First step, dress like a geologist. Make sure at least one adult is also helping and dressed like a geologist. Reminder, we like flannel. Melt the butter in a saucepan on low heat. Stir in your marshmallows until they are completely melted into the butter. Remove from heat and mix in the vanilla, salt, and sediments. The rice cereal. Scoop some of the gooey sediments into the bottom of each container, just a little bit, and press it down flat. You're lithifying here, which means you're making it into a rock. Working somewhat quickly, sprinkle another ingredient over top. Candy, chocolate chips, sprinkles, whatever, just not the pickles. Repeat with another layer of gooey sediments, and then more candies. Keep going until you've run out of room or out of ingredients. Put your new sedimentary rocks into the fridge for an hour if you can wait that long. And when they've completely lithified, remove the outer part and check out the layers of your delicious sedimentary rock. These sweet little servings are great to take on a hike, maybe around your backyard or even to your favorite nature center. Sometimes the best cure for cabin fever is just a little fresh air. Oh, and some rocks.